Hey everybody, this is Howard Cosell, and this will be a riveting review for Chapter 10. Let's begin. Alright, so recall, watch this. Bam! A significance test shows you how strong the evidence is for some claim about a parameter. The probabilities in tests and confidence intervals tells us what would happen if we used the recipe for an interval or test very many times. Alright, don't worry about this last one too much. It just talks about confidence levels. The meat of it's coming up right here, you guys. Confidence intervals. Be able to state in a non-technical language what is meant by a 95% confidence. So be able to state using your common sense. Try to speak English so you can tell the readers what you know, what you're reading and what you're calculating. Okay, 95% confidence interval gives a correct result 95% of the time when we use it repeatedly. So you'd say something like this: we are 95% confident that the interval contains the true population mean of whatever, widgets or whatever the study is on. Okay, be able to calculate a confidence interval by using that formula right there. Uh, Recognize when you can safely use the confidence interval recipe. If the population, if they don't state it's normal, you got to say that they don't state it's normal, so I'm going to proceed with caution. Or if they don't say that the sample that you have came from the population of interest, you're going to proceed with caution. And if the sample size is large enough, greater than or equal to 10, I'm not 10, 20, my bad, then you can say that the central limit theorem ensures us that the sample means distributions will be a normal curve. Okay, so understand that the margin of error does not include the effects of undercoverage, non-response, or other practical difficulties. Understand how the margin of error of a confidence interval changes with sample size and level of confidence. Be able to find the sample size required for a specific margin of error by using that formula. Okay, and then know your steps and how to use them for a significance test. Step 1, Step 2, Step 3, Step 4. Okay, and be able to write those down and state those. And then lastly, know what type 1 and type 2 error is.